Hi everyone! A blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat. For those who are new to my channel, welcome po sa Mommy V's Garden. I hope that you will watch this video in full. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you will consider subscribing to this channel. At sa mga dati naman po sa aking channel at nakasubscribe na, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na suporta. So, yung video po natin today will be a short one. I just want to share with you the plants that I have outside, yung mga mayana na tinanim ko a few weeks back kasi nag-propagate po tayo ng mayana kasi sobrang leggy na yung mga dating mayana na katanim doon. As well as show you some of the plants that I have in my small garden after the heavy rain. So, keep on watching po. I hope that you will watch this video until the end. So, let's go! Ayan. So, these are the Mayana plants that I have outside. And of course, the croton. So, ito pong nakikita nyo, ito yung tinanim ko ng mas pinakauna. So, malalaki na sila. I planted this mayana, if I remember correctly, siguro mga 5 weeks ago or more than a month ago. And I love to group them together, the different varieties together, para pag lumaki nga sila malago. So, ayan po, 'di ba? Ang ganda pag dikit-dikit talaga yung pagkakatanim sa ating mga mayana. So, yung tallest that I have dito sa batch na to is nasa mga 18 inches in height. Yung iba naman kasi medyo mababa pa kasi hindi rin sabay-sabay yung kanilang paglaki. So, there are varieties that grow faster. Yung iba medyo mabagal. This batch I planted later, mga 2-3 weeks after the first batch. So these are like 2 weeks old. And this one also. So as I've always been saying, Mayana plants tend to get leggy when they get matured. So it is important that we propagate and plant new cuttings to keep them pretty like this. Kasi if you've seen the previous videos that I shared, I showed you how they look when they get leggy. So the leaves, may ibang leaves lang on top, then puro stem na yung makikita natin. So, we need to refresh them. We need to get cuttings from the old plants, then plant them again. So, this is what I did. Then, I want to show you the golden pothos that is trailing really fast. So, ito, lumabas na siya guys. Lumabas na sa aming bakod. And pothos, when they move upwards, the tendency is the leaves get bigger, such as this one. Ayan, makikita po natin na basang-basa pa yung mga dahon ni pothos na to. At ang ganda naman talaga ng kanilang heart-shaped leaves. One of the lucky plants na feature ko din dun sa lucky plants video that I shared with you. And this one, ang taas na nitong halaman namin na to. I forgot the name, pero the beauty is really towering. Kaya in one of my videos, I call this towering beauty. And I keep on cutting the branches also to make it, for it to branch out and become prettier. Our croton. This one, I don't know the name, pero yan, namumulaklak na siya kasi maganda to pag nauulanan parate. Ito pa yung ating mga photos na lumabas na. And yan, gumapang na sa ating sa poste at ang lalaki na ng ng dahon talaga Yan. Sobrang laki na ng mga dahon ng photos natin na to. Moving on inside the garden. So, madalas nyo po makita tong mga plants na yan. I really don't have something new in my garden. I think yung pinakabago sa halaman ko, I bought them from Pampanga 3 weeks ago. And that was the last time I added a new plant in my garden. So for those who have been watching my videos, these are the same plants that you've seen in the previous videos that I showed you. Yan ating mga propagated bromeliads, simple bromeliads. Ang ating mga tea plant. So makikita nyo po na basang-basa yung mga dahon nila kasi as I mentioned earlier, katatapos lang ng ulan dito kaninang umaga. So yan po yung ating mga additional Mayana. This is one of the rubber plants that I'm always happy sharing kasi ang ganda ng mga foliage ng mga rubber plants natin. And my halo-halo corner that I call kasi ayun, mix-mix po yung ating mga halaman dyan. Halo-halo na yung ating mga halaman. And you can see na yung space natin is sumisikip na talaga. Yung mga dried leaves ay part of my routine talaga is to take dry leaves from my plants so that they look prettier. And so in this corner, I have yung ating mga tea plants, mga Hawaiian tea plants, ganyan. Ayan. Ito gustong-gusto ko rin tong Hawaiian tea plant na to. I just love the leaf pattern. Yan po yung kanyang bagong halaman. So, bagong tubo na yan. Which looks really pretty like the mother. Ayan po. Tapos, ito po yung ating bagong propagated na golden pothos. Pasensya na po kayo sa ingay ng aso, tapos sa ongoing construction, maririnig nyo na madaming nagpupupukpok or nag-grind ng bakal kasi may ongoing construction. So, ayan po ang ating mga halaman na tuwang-tuwa sa ulan. So, this is all I wanted to share. Thank you. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Stay safe. And God bless. Maraming salamat po once again. I hope all the best for you and your family. Bye, everyone. Thank you once again for watching and visiting Mommy V's garden.